In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Notion. This integration can be incredibly useful if you want to keep track of your schedule while working within Notion. So let's dive right into the process. First, open up Google Calendar in your web browser. You'll see a list of your existing calendars on the left side of the screen. Find the calendar you wish to add to Notion and click the 3 vertical dots next to its name. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and Sharing. This option will take you to a detailed settings page for your chosen calendar. Once in the calendar settings, scroll down to the Access Permissions for Events section. Here you'll see an option labeled Make Available to Public. Enable this setting and confirm when prompted. By doing this, you make your calendar publicly accessible, which is an important step for embedding it into Notion. However, remember that making your calendar public means it can be viewed by anyone with access to the link, so be sure your calendar doesn't contain any sensitive information before you proceed. After making your calendar public, continue to scroll down until you find the Integrate Calendar section. Here you'll see a public URL to this calendar. Copy this URL. This is the link you'll need to embed your calendar into Notion. With the URL copied, open Notion and log into your account. If you prefer, you can use the Continue with Google option for a faster login experience. Navigate to the page where you want your calendar to appear. If you don't have one yet, simply create a new page. Once your page is open, click on an empty block. In this block, type #embed and select the Embed option that appears. This will open a small window asking for the link you want to embed. Here you'll paste the Google Calendar URL you copied earlier. After pasting the link, click on Embed Link. Now sit back and watch as your Google Calendar is displayed right inside your Notion page. This seamless integration allows you to view and manage your schedule without having to leave Notion, streamlining your workflow and boosting productivity. And there you have it, a straightforward process to bringing the power of Google Calendar to Notion. Remember, while the calendar is now easily accessible, you need to manage privacy settings carefully to ensure sensitive information isn't inadvertently shared. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you find this integration as powerful and convenient as we do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.